There's a place I like to walk to. Its name is Caterpillar Cove. All around are my furry little friends, green and red and mauve. When the time is right and there's magic in the air, the little guys lie under the moon. This next bit's gonna blow your mind. Each one becomes a cocoon. You've got to realize I love butterflies. I love their flippy flappy wings. Flippy flap, flippy flap. And all the joy they bring. You need to sympathize with these little guys as they hatch from their cocoons to the sound of this sweet tune. But my family don't understand me. My friends can't figure me out. But boy, I try to tell them what this hit song's all about. Let me tell ya, some people they like the big guys, like elephants and gorillas. But there's one little critter that's a real big hitter, and that, my friends, is the cat.